Just published a draft opinion signaling justices could strike down the landmark decision. The 1973 decision guaranteed federal constitutional protections of abortion rights. In the draft opinion obtained by Politico, Justice Samuel Alito wrote, quote, Roe was egregiously wrong from the start, saying it is time to heed the Constitution and return the issue of abortion to the people's elected representatives.
CBS 46's Patrick Quinn is live outside in Atlanta Planned Parenthood, explaining what the decision means and what happens next. Patrick.
Hey, Alan, it is quiet here. I wouldn't be surprised to see a lot of activity outside this Planned Parenthood in the hours or days to come. A very big decision and a leak that was just made by Politico. And I want to stress the leak was just of a draft of the Supreme Court ruling. This was not the final decision. It certainly shows where the Supreme Court stands. A final ruling on Roe v. Wade is not expected until this summer, potentially June. But this will certainly cause a lot of waves across the country. Now, according to the draft, the court would overturn Roe v. Wade's holding of a federal constitutional right to an abortion. This would obviously have tremendous implication for women and girls and put the power of abortion back in the hands of the states, where nearly half of the U.S. have or will pass laws that ban abortion, while others have enacted strict measures regulating the procedure. But I'm told this decision will not go down without a fight. Just moments ago, I talked with a spokesperson for Rise Up for Abortion Rights.
Which side are you on? Are you going to sit back? It's been made clear. Are you going to sit back as the rights of women and girls to control their bodies, their lives, and their destinies are stripped away by a fascist majority on the court? Or are you going to raise your voice and raise hell and get in the streets and fight with all we've got to stop this from happening?
Back here live again, we're at the Planned Parenthood in East Atlanta, where a spokesperson for Planned Parenthood just released a statement to us. As you just heard from that soundbite, Planned Parenthood also said they expected this decision, they knew it was coming, and they are planning a fight. Now, also as part of that statement that they told us, excuse me, sir, I'm just going to read part of that statement that they sent to us. They said this leaked opinion is horrifying, it's unprecedented, and it confirms our worst fears. The Supreme Court is prepared to end the constitutional right to abortion by overturning Roe v. Wade, though they also went on to say and stress that abortions are still legal here if you need one. Operations will still be underway and procedures will still be there. They'll have people here in the morning, so they're really stressing while this ruling was leaked, it is not final. We'll, of course, continue to cover this controversial ruling live from East Atlanta. Patrick Quinn, CBS 46 News.
Reaction to this shocking repudiation is already pouring in tonight. Georgia Senator Raphael Warnock tweeting this, quote, as a pro-choice pastor, I've always believed that a patient's room is way too small for a woman, her doctor, and the United States government. I'll always fight to protect a woman's right to choose, and that will never change. Former Senator and candidate for governor David Perdue also chiming in on the development, saying, quote, this potential ruling shows the importance of the 3 conservative Supreme Court justices we confirmed working with President Trump while I was in the U.S. Senate. This is a developing story with new reaction coming in by the minute. Download the CBS 46 app to make sure you don't miss a single new development. It's free in the Apple App Store and